Okay, let's go.
Good morning and welcome. I'm Georgie. I'm gonna be your chef for today. We're going to enjoy some nice local Creole dishes. To begin with, we're gonna start with the breadfruit. Okay, we're gonna make some good local chips. Normally, that's what everybody says about breadfruit. If you eat breadfruit in Seychelles, you definitely gonna come back to Seychelles one day in the near future. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna make some breadfruit chips, and then we're gonna start with grilled fish outside on the barbecue. Okay, then we will also be doing some octopus curry, a smoked fish salad, noodles cooked with vegetables. We will also have some eggplant fritters. Okay, and as I'm telling you about breadfruit, we will also have one breadfruit grilled outside on the barbecue. Okay, we will grill it outside on the barbecue. It's very spicy chili. Okay, so we will take two to prepare our menu for today. Okay, so when you use the stick to heat it, you need to always heat it from this side. If you heat it here, it will be hitting on the coconut. So you have this portion to heat it on the stick. Always try to turn your coconut in your hand. I will add a little water. Okay, and get some curry leaves. That's the curry leaves. We will also add one cinnamon leaves. Two.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so for now, we haven't put any salt, any ginger garlic. Okay, we will get it cooked on little fire for about 5 minutes. Then we will go taste it and then add our salt and whatever we need to add and let it cook further. Take one mango. You know, sometimes if I don't have the fruits or vegetable available in my garden, I will also just walk about 100 meters away. I will have it from the local farm. So we are done. Now we are ready to set the table and to get a taste of all the dishes we've prepared. As you will see, we have the grilled fish. We have the octopus salad, breadfruit cooked outside on the barbecue, octopus curry. We have the prawns cooked in better ginger garlic, and we have the noodles with vegetables. Okay, and as well as the eggplant fritters. So we will set the table together with the plate, forks, and water. Then we will start degusting the local Creole dishes. Okay, so bon appetit and enjoy, sir. Okay.